Bond in Glasgow, and we have gathered together some representatives from the cultural sector across Scotland, and we've invited them to come and to talk about what digital transformations is going to mean for them, it's going to mean for their organizations, it's going to mean for the sector, it's going to mean for their business. So we're really looking forward to a very interesting conversation today, a really open conversation today, and we'll be bringing you some snippets of what's happened.